Ew, it is your boy Lava. It is your boy Lava Blast, and so basically I'm gonna be trying out alarm clock from Walmart. Basically, people told me to do this. Alright, let's see. Adjustable time projection, 8 soothing sleep sounds, sound timer with auto turn off, 4-step display, dimmer control, 2 alarm settings, dual alarm display, backup battery, snooze alarm, and time projecting. And whoa, that's nice. Let's go check them out. Forgot to mention this has a backup battery with it. We got them satisfying bubble wrap. Whoa. Guessing that's the projector. Anything else in here? We got the cord. And with that we got the alarm clock. Alright, let's try this. I swear. Alright, let's go check this out. So I just got it on. There it is. And there's the projector. So this is projector. Whoa. Oh, let's try this out. This looks cool. Alright, projector. I think it's this one. Whoa, that's cool, bro. That's so cool. You can have 2 alarms, which is really cool. So alarm 1, I'm guessing it's this one. Let's see, time. I'm clicking the plus right here. So now alarm 2. And let's just do time and let's go. That's really cool, I swear. I just keep looking at the projector like, bro, that's cool. It's been Lava Blast, and I'll see you later. See ya.